Uh, Lady and gentlemen, this is Professor Oloshani Senkunku, elected Secretary General of United Nations. Today we are December 23rd, December 23rd, 2021. We are in Geneva, headquarters here. And today we are leading the press conference about the speech we gave. This speech, we wrote this speech. My English is young, and I apologize that my English is still young, but it's also true. It's difficult for Anglophone to give a speech in French, and difficult for Anglophone also to give the speech to teach at university level in French and English. It's difficult for Francophone, many Francophone, to teach in English. So both is difficult. It's difficult also to teach from English to Spanish. So I apologize if things were not perfect, but I got feedback, and many people thank me. Many people thank me. I receive good background, good appreciation that the speech, the content of speech was very strong, and some people, not some people, but many, more than 179 people say that the speech were brilliant. But thank you. I was just humbly to thank your appreciation. The most important for me is not the aesthetic of the speech. It's not the art of the speech. The most important is my contribution to humanity, and that is I started when I didn't have any idea that I will occupy public service position. I will occupy position. I will be in election. I didn't do it for election. I started as a vocation I have to contribute to humanity. And thank you so much for all people appreciate our global work and global balance sheet. It's difficult right now for leader and to make the true balance sheet, because they didn't do anything. They were playing the game. They focused in my marriage for 1 year. My marriage. Once again, I was kindly allow my family suffer a lot. My children to be separate to my destiny. When Biden was elected, okay, they didn't go to see what crime Biden did in the past. They didn't go to check her the family. The family, they didn't put the Biden naked in social media. Okay, in Biden naked in social media. They didn't put my friend Dr. Jill Biden naked in social media. Bongisa and I were in social media 1 year. So please, now we ask to protect. I am protecting my family. Leave the matter of my family with me. It's us and my children must be the matter of the private matter. Okay, when they elected Obama, they didn't put the naked of Obama in social media. They didn't check even if Obama have a good degree, authentic degree or not. They didn't check it. Okay. Today he has a right to go to sit to school and to have authentic degree. But in the past, no. Even if they have a problem with Donald Trump, was asking him his birth certificate. So many senators there, before to be senator, they hide their past, or they hide their past. If they know this past, they could not be senator, they could not be president. Okay, they didn't put their naked. I didn't see the naked of Kennedy. I didn't see the naked of Kim Jordan. I didn't see the naked of many people in the. But mine, they discussed for 1 year. So please, I want to just to withdraw myself from the lies and the campaign of people disrespect me and my family. We suffer a lot. We continue to thank, because this time is thanking people support us and support the change. We started to thank my chief Antonio Guterres. I'm still here. I'm supposed to have my diplomatic passport and go to join my family in Africa, to see where they bury my mother, to see my siblings miss me a lot before I go to United Nations to sit at New York where I'm elected. But we are still waiting. But anyway, we thank my chief Antonio Guterres, and I thank my former chief Ban Ki-moon. And Ban Ki-moon and I were friends for a long time. Ban Ki-moon and I. When I was traveling to go to Qatar, Ban Ki-moon was there. So, and he protected me a lot. And thank you so much, Secretary General Ban Ki-moon. We thank also President Kagame. President Kagame, everybody saw that he stood for Africa and he stood for us. So, thank you so much. We thank also President Lukashenko. The President Lukashenko, we will negotiate in diplomacy what happening about the political opponent and everything. I think when I get to New York, we will discuss with, we'll lead this diplomacy to set free, to help. The responsibility of United Nations to help Belarus to adjust its action with human rights respect. The President Lukashenko was my partner to save this refugee and immigrant trapped in the between Poland and Belarus. And thank you for his action, his diligence, and thank you so much. We thank people of Honduras, and thank you so much. Thank you so much. People of Honduras wrote to us. I didn't know I received a lot of support for Honduras and Trinidad, Tobago. Thank you for the people of Liberia. So Liberia, there are many supporters. Thank you so much. Our balance sheet continue. It's not like I said in this press conference. I want just to tell you that my balance sheet, global balance sheet, is too much. It's a long list that we give just a short. The aim, the objective is not to show our balance sheet, but our objective is, our objective is to work better, to work, to do more, to achieve more for we people. Okay, we didn't mention in our speech how we contribute about Brexit. We are the first contribute about Brexit solution. We are not the one create Brexit. We didn't create it, but they came to take us. They call our mind. They call our global mind, mastermind, to bring the solution of Brexit. We brought the solution also about like we say, refugee trapped in hunger and cold around at the border of United Nations, at the border of Belarus and Poland. And we continue to check this refugee because he's very disappointed. No one can follow this case, so we are following this case. Thank you to President Mamadou Issoufou, former president of Niger, were the first, among the first support us, Mamadou Issoufou. Thank you so much. That shows that we never forget those support the change. Those support the change, Mamadou Issoufou. So we saw in this press conference also want to respond to people say that we were in Rio. No, we were not in Rio. I don't have nothing to do with Rio in the capital in America, this January 6th. Okay, everybody, American, know that I stood to save lives. I stood to save lives around the world, not only for civil society, but also I save lives for when they mistreat the Pope, when they mistreat Elizabeth, the life for leader. Okay, I make human rights contribution, but also economic contribution. You see how I was the first to build some network for electricity. Electricity, you know, I create to Quebec, in Quebec, international law of electricity. It didn't exist. International commercial law of electricity. That's the program I went to defend in Paris when the National Institute, the France National Institute of Petroleum called my expertise. I went to defend that. I know that investor, when they want to, investor need electricity for even if the government, when the government, any government around the world, when you have program of industrialization, you need electricity, right? But you don't have any network and the legal framework for that. I created in Quebec. So I talked it about to students, and the students write their memory. Some of them defend their memory, their thesis about that. It's me created when I was preparing my, before I prepared my doctorate in petroleum and energy. So, so many contributions. I did many contributions. I don't want here to present all. I have positive, constructive, global balance sheet. And I'm proud that I did it when they denied me the passport, the UN diplomatic passport, when they banned me to travel. They banned me. I faced oppression and also illegal trial. So I'm glad of that. There is in DRC they are concerned about what I said, that in the case of Sarkozy, President Sarkozy, the Freemason doesn't exist. I want to tell you that I'm not here to respond. I'm not in a good condition in Geneva. Okay, I am in the room in the hotel. They put me there, and they bring 3 people, 2 people again, to make 3. I'm not gay. I never been sodomized. I never will be. They could not touch me. God didn't allow, while police arrested me, to touch me in the prison. They didn't touch me. God protected me everywhere. So, but Freemasonry is using 3. The marriage of Eve, you know, Adam, Eve, and the snake. Okay, 3. Okay, but you can impose it. I told them, you can add even if 6 people in the room in hotel. 6 people. You can put these 3 in my plate. Each plate, each food I'm eating, you can stick it. You can put 3. Put it in my plate. Put it in my food, in rice I'm eating, potatoes, salad. Put it even if in my jacket. Put 4, 3, 4, 6. My soul is not a stick with the Freemasonry criminal organization. Okay, my soul doesn't have, my destiny doesn't have a color. My destiny doesn't have a number. My destiny doesn't have a symbol. My destiny doesn't have. Any Freemasonry sign, criminal organization sign. I don't have it. You can put it, but it's not for me. You are forcing things that it never will stick in my body and my destiny. Okay, Never, never. So in the room of the hotel is not for me. So I cannot tell people, no, don't bring them there. No, they bring them there. People come to spy. Some people, they want just to put me there to try to punish me. No, you are to impose that you are Freemasonry. Everybody have to respect the tree. No, for me, even if they bring people there, I'm not gay, I never will be homosexual. And these people, they bring them, they know they cannot approach me. It's impossible. It's impossible. I'm very kind because hotel is not for me, but I need my passport to go to see my family, to have a dignity, to have a privacy, to be put in the house that I deserve, because I deserve better, I deserve dignity, I bring a lot of money at the United Nations, so they have to give me this money, so I can rent all hotel myself if I want.